Welcome to spectacular South Africa, a country where diverse cultures, vibrant wildlife, and breathtaking landscapes merge to create a world of adventure and discovery. This is a land where the sun-kissed savanna meets the deep blue ocean, where the roar of the lion echoes through the valleys, and the rhythm of traditional drums fill the night air. South Africa is a world within a country, offering an array of experiences that cater to all tastes and interests. From the iconic Table Mountain of Cape Town to the untamed wilderness of Kruger National Park, the serene beaches of the Garden Route to the majestic Drakensberg Mountains, and the bustling streets of Johannesburg to the sunny shores of Durban. Each destination is a chapter in the South African story, rich with history, culture, and natural beauty. Join us as we embark on an unforgettable journey to explore the top destinations in this magnificent land, from bustling cities to serene beaches and beyond. Our adventure begins in Cape Town, the mother city nestled beneath the majestic Table Mountain. Cape Town, the second most populous city in South Africa, is a city that's as vibrant as it is beautiful. The city is a fusion of cultures, a place where East meets West, and where the old world coexists with the new. It's a city that's always alive, always surprising, and always inviting. Perched high above the city, Table Mountain is the city's most iconic landmark. This flat-topped mountain is more than just a spectacular geological phenomenon. It's a symbol of the city, a constant companion that watches over Cape Town's inhabitants and visitors alike. From its summit, accessed by cable car, you can enjoy panoramic views of the city, the Atlantic and Indian Oceans, and the surrounding Cape Peninsula. From the heights of Table Mountain, we descend to the historical heart of Cape Town, Robben Island. This small landmass in Table Bay was once a place of isolation and despair, serving as a prison for political prisoners during the apartheid era. Its most famous inmate was Nelson Mandela, who spent 18 years of his life here. Today, Robben Island is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a poignant reminder of the struggle for freedom and equality. As we leave the solemnity of Robben Island behind, we find ourselves in the colorful neighborhood of Bo Kaap. Here, the houses are a riot of color, each one painted a different shade, from cool blues and greens to warm yellows and pinks. The residents of Bo Kaap are predominantly Cape Malay, a community whose ancestors were brought from Southeast Asia as slaves in the 17th and 18th centuries. Today, this area is a vibrant cultural hub, known for its unique Cape Malay cuisine, traditional music, and crafts. In Cape Town, the past and present merge seamlessly. It's a city where you can spend the morning exploring historic sites, the afternoon lounging on a beautiful beach, and the evening enjoying world-class dining and entertainment. The city's food scene is as diverse as its population, offering everything from traditional African dishes to modern fusion cuisine. And let's not forget the world-renowned Cape Winelands, where you can sample some of the finest wines in the world. But what truly sets Cape Town apart is its people. Cape Townians, as the locals are known, are warm, welcoming, and fiercely proud of their city. They are the heart and soul of Cape Town, adding their unique flavor to the city's multicultural melting pot. Cape Town is a melting pot of cultures, cuisines, and landscapes. It's a city that captivates the heart and invigorates the senses. It's a place where every moment is an opportunity for discovery, and every discovery is a moment to cherish. So come explore and lose yourself in the magic of the mother city. Next, we journey along the Garden Route, a spectacular stretch of coastline renowned for its natural beauty. This picturesque drive, stretching from the Western Cape to the Eastern Cape, offers travelers an unforgettable experience, presenting a unique mixture of South Africa's most striking landscapes. Our first stop along the Garden Route is the charming town of Knysna. Nestled between lush forests and the sparkling Knysna Lagoon, this town is a haven for nature lovers. Explore the deep green canopy of the Knysna Forest, home to a variety of wildlife and ancient trees that reach high into the sky. Don't forget to try the town's famous oysters, celebrated for their exceptional quality and taste. From Knysna, we continue to Plettenberg Bay, a coastal town that promises a blend of relaxation and adventure. Its pristine beaches, stretching as far as the eye can see, are perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or simply enjoying a leisurely stroll. For the more adventurous, Plettenberg Bay offers a host of water sports, including surfing, sailing, and even dolphin and whale watching. And then there's Tsitsikamma National Park, the crowning glory of the Garden Route. This coastal reserve is a playground for thrill seekers, with its rugged cliffs, thundering waterfalls, and rushing rivers. Hike along one of the many trails, cross the famous suspension bridge, or if you're feeling particularly brave, try the world's highest commercial bungee jump at Bluecrans Bridge. But the Garden Route is not just about the adrenaline rush. It also offers a peaceful retreat with its tranquil lakes, rolling hills, and vibrant bird life. It's a place where you can disconnect from the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature. And at the end of the day, you can sit back, relax, and watch as the sun paints the sky in hues of pink and orange, signaling the end of another day in paradise. The Garden Route is a journey of discovery, taking you through a series of landscapes, each more beautiful than the last. It's a place where the ocean meets the mountains, where forests merge with lagoons, and where every turn in the road brings a new surprise. It's a place that truly captures the essence of South Africa's diverse beauty. So, whether you're an adventurer at heart, a nature enthusiast, or simply looking for a scenic drive, the Garden Route has something for everyone. It's a journey worth taking, a journey that leaves you with memories that last a lifetime. And as we reach the end of our exploration of the Garden Route, we can't help but marvel at the beauty that we've witnessed. From the lush forests of Kruger to the azure waters of Plettenberg Bay and the thrilling adventures in Tsitsikamma National Park, it's been a journey of a lifetime. But remember, this is just one part of what South Africa has to offer. The Garden Route offers a slice of paradise for every traveler. Venture into the wild at Kruger National Park, one of Africa's largest game reserves. Spanning nearly 2 million hectares, this vast wilderness offers an unparalleled wildlife experience. Here, the rhythm of the natural world takes precedence, and time is measured not by the ticking of a clock, but by the rise and fall of the African sun. As we journey into the heart of the park, we're greeted by a mesmerizing array of wildlife. From the towering elephants to the swift cheetahs, the elusive leopards to the majestic lions, and the robust buffaloes, Kruger National Park is home to Africa's Big Five. But it's not just about these iconic species. The park is a haven for hundreds of other mammals and bird species, each contributing to the park's rich tapestry of life. Guided safaris are a key part of the Kruger experience, offering the chance to explore the park under the watchful eye of experienced rangers. As we navigate the dusty trails, we witness the raw power of a lion's roar, the graceful dance of impalas in the savannah, and the gentle giants that are the elephants, meandering along their age-old migratory routes. Every moment here is a testament to the beauty and resilience of nature. Yet Kruger National Park is more than just a wildlife spectacle. It's a symbol of conservation, a place where efforts to preserve Africa's wild heritage are in full swing. Every day, dedicated teams work tirelessly to protect the park's inhabitants, combating poaching, managing ecosystems, and studying animal behavior to ensure the survival of these precious species for future generations. Here, conservation is not just a concept, it's a way of life. The park is also deeply rooted in history, with archaeological sites bearing testimony to the ancient civilizations that once roamed these lands. From the remnants of Iron Age settlements to the stunning rock paintings left behind by the Sand People, Kruger National Park is a living museum, a window into Africa's vibrant past. Beyond the thrill of wildlife encounters, Kruger National Park offers a range of accommodation options, from luxury lodges to bushveld camps, each providing a unique way to experience the African wilderness. As night falls, the park comes alive with a different kind of magic. Under a blanket of stars, the sounds of the wild become the soundtrack to your dreams, a gentle reminder of the untamed beauty that surrounds you. Kruger National Park is a world where nature reigns supreme, a place of breathtaking landscapes and thrilling wildlife encounters. It's a place that invites you to slow down, to look closer, to listen harder, to feel the pulse of the wild. It's a place where you learn the true meaning of awe and respect for the natural world. Immerse yourself in the untamed beauty of the South African wilderness. In the heart of South Africa lies Johannesburg, a city of rebirth and resilience. From its humble beginnings as a gold mining settlement, Johannesburg has evolved into a vibrant metropolis, pulsating with energy and creativity. Amidst the hustle and bustle, the city's rich cultural tapestry unfolds, offering a fascinating glimpse into South Africa's multifaceted character. At the epicenter of Johannesburg's cultural scene is the Maboneng precinct, a thriving hub of arts and innovation. With its eclectic mix of galleries, boutiques, and eateries, Mabanang is a testament to Johannesburg's artistic spirit and entrepreneurial flair. It's a place where tradition meets modernity, where the old and the new coalesce to create a remarkable urban landscape. Yet to truly understand Johannesburg's essence, one must delve into its past. The Apartheid Museum, a beacon of hope and reconciliation, provides a poignant narrative of South Africa's history. Through its powerful exhibits, the museum chronicles the journey from the dark days of apartheid to the dawn of democracy, reminding us of the strength of the human spirit in the face of adversity. Just a stone's throw away from Johannesburg is Soweto, a township that has played a pivotal role in South Africa's struggle for freedom. Soweto's vibrant streets echo with tales of courage and resilience, from the student uprising of 1976 to the inspiring life of Nelson Mandela. A visit to Mandela's former home, now a museum, offers a deeply moving insight into the life of South Africa's beloved Madiba. Soweto's pulsating heartbeat resonates beyond its historical significance. It's a place of music, dance, and celebration, where the spirit of Ubuntu, the belief in a universal bond of sharing that connects all humanity, is palpable. It's a place where every corner, every street, every face tells a story. Johannesburg and Soweto, a city and a township rich in history and spirit, tell stories of struggle and triumph. Their tale is a testament to South Africa's indomitable spirit, a narrative of resilience and rebirth, of unity and diversity, of a past acknowledged and a future embraced. Rise to the majestic Drakensberg Mountains, a breathtaking natural wonder. Here, the world feels like it's at your fingertips. The Drakensberg, or Dragon's Mountain, is a vast mountain range that stretches over 1,000 kilometers, forming a natural barrier between the bustling province of KwaZulu-Natal and the mountain kingdom of Lesotho. In this awe-inspiring landscape, you'll find an array of hiking trails that cater to every level of fitness and adventure. Wander through emerald green valleys, cross bubbling streams, and ascend to towering peaks. Each trail offers a unique glimpse into the incredible biodiversity of the region. From the delicate protea, South Africa's national flower, to the rare bearded vulture, the Drakensberg is a haven for flora and fauna. But the Drakensberg's allure extends beyond its natural beauty. It's a region steeped in history and culture. The mountains are home to the largest and most concentrated group of rock art in Africa. These paintings are the work of the San people, the original inhabitants of southern Africa, who left behind a rich legacy of their life and beliefs etched onto cave walls. These ancient masterpieces, some dating back as far as 20,000 years, offer a poignant glimpse into a bygone era. As you explore the Drakensberg, you'll also come across small communities living in harmony with the land. Their vibrant cultures and traditions add a unique flavor to the region, offering an authentic and enriching travel experience. The Drakensberg is not just a destination, it's a journey into the heart of South Africa's natural and cultural heritage. It's a place where you can disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking your next thrill, a history buff eager to delve into the past, or a nature lover longing for tranquility, the Drakensberg has something for you. The Drakensberg is an outdoor enthusiast's dream and a sanctuary for nature lovers. Our journey takes us to the sunny shores of Durban and the heart of the Zulu Kingdom. Durban, South Africa's third largest city, is a melting pot of cultures, where Eastern influences blend seamlessly with African tradition. The city's multicultural vibe is reflected in its diverse culinary scene, with flavors from India, Europe, and Africa creating a gastronomic experience that's uniquely Durbanese. At the heart of the city lies the Golden Mile, a bustling stretch of beachfront that's a hub of activity throughout the year. Here, surfers ride the Indian Ocean waves while locals and tourists alike soak up the warm African sun. But the Golden Mile is more than just a beach. It's a testament to Durban's love for outdoor living, a place where the city's energy and spirit shine brightest. But Durban isn't just about the sun and surf. It's a gateway to the Zulu Kingdom, Zululand, where the proud Zulu people share their rich culture and history. In Zululand, the rhythm of Africa comes alive in the energetic Zulu dances, the vibrant beadwork, and the captivating storytelling. It's a place where time-honored traditions are still a part of everyday life. offering a glimpse into a culture that's remained largely unchanged for centuries. A visit to a traditional Zulu village is a journey back in time. Here, the thatched huts, the traditional attire, and the age-old customs offer a fascinating insight into the Zulu way of life. Whether it's a spirited Zulu dance performance, a lesson in traditional beadwork, or an enchanting tale told by an elder, there's always something that captivates and leaves a lasting impression. As we leave Durban and the Zulu Kingdom, we take with us not just memories of a colorful city and a vibrant culture, but a deeper understanding and appreciation of the Zulu people, their history, and their traditions. Delve into the rich history and traditions of the Zulu people, a proud and vibrant community. We've journeyed across the breathtaking beauty of South Africa, exploring its diverse landscapes and rich cultures. We have immersed ourselves in the vibrant pulse of Cape Town, meandered through the paradise of the garden route, and ventured into the untamed wilderness of Kruger National Park. We felt the heartbeat of Johannesburg and Soweto, soared to the heights of the majestic Drakensberg, and bathed in the sun-kissed shores of Durban. Each region, each city, each corner of this magnificent country has offered us something unique, something unforgettable. From the stirring histories etched in the streets of Soweto to the awe-inspiring wildlife in Kruger, the tranquility of the Drakensberg to the multicultural embrace of Durban. South Africa is not just a destination, it's a journey, a story waiting to be discovered. From the bustling city of Cape Town to the tranquil Drakensberg Mountains, South Africa is a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences. If the breathtaking beauty and rich culture of South Africa have inspired you, then let's keep the spirit of adventure alive. Show your support by liking this video, sharing it with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribing to our channel for more captivating journeys. We'd love to hear from you too. Tell us in the comments which destination in South Africa you'd love to explore next.